Hey everybody, thought I'd share a little video, more of a lesson learned if you will. If you're lazy and maybe a tech geek like me, you might want to get one of these switches. They're by TP-Link and they're a Wi-Fi controlled switch. They're kind of neat. I've got them hooked up here to my exterior uplights and to our porch light. I've also got it onto the light in the house for more security. You download the app. It's called Casa. It looks like this right here. I'll blow it up. Looks like that. And it takes you to the menu. So it's like living room, exterior light, front porch light, and it just lets you turn switches on and off. And you can put as many as you want, wherever you want in the house. The thing I wanted to add for Highland Trails folks is, you know, sometimes our homes have these interesting wiring challenges. I just wanted to share with the home team here. If you come over here, Brooke, to the box, you'll see there's two black wires that come into each one of these switches. And this is what these switches look like, right? And when you turn them on, so they mount in flush when they're all said and done. But they have that little Wi-Fi ring right there. You can see them turn on and off the porch light. Okay. There's two black wires, and it doesn't matter which two black wires you hook up to the hot side of the switch or not. But for Highland Trails purposes, there's the two main wires feed into the box, and there'll be a bunch twisted up white, and there'll be a bunch of them twisted up black. I connected the same side to the twisted up black and the other side to the twisted up, one side of the black to the twisted up black and the other side of the black. It doesn't matter which one you use, the programming inside the switch doesn't matter, but one side of the black goes to the main bulk twisted up black wire, and the other side of the black goes up. I don't know if you can see. I'll see if I can get some flashlight up in there real quick. Sorry, I'm not as fast as my wife on the phone here. Here we go. But can you see those wires tucked back up in there? Those are the other side of the black and the white wire. So here's the main white bundle. That connects to your white wires. And then one side of the black, you see it ties into the twisted up black. And the other side of the black goes up into these other lines. And that's your return. So the problem I was having was I was turning on one switch and it would automatically turn off the other switch because it was the power was being controlled through both switches, but you want them to run independently. Simply one side of the twisted up bundle black on both sides, and the other side of the black send up to your independent lines that run outside of the box, and you should be fine. Anyway, they're pretty cool, they're pretty fun, they're pretty easy to use, and I like it because you can use it anywhere in the world and control the lighting to your house. So that's it. Hope you enjoy. Thanks.